Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see top 50 coding interview question for programmers. So if you are attending an interview in this categories only, you will be getting a questions. So they may ask you to write a logic, or they may tell you, like, ask about to tell the logic. So you should be very clear in this questions. So here are the top 50 coding interview questions based on different topics I have collected. First question: how to find the duplicate number on a given integer array? So here the question is, in an integer array we need to find the duplicate number. So let's do the coding. So here you can see in this, to find a duplicate number, first we need to declare an array. So I am just declaring int of array. Okay, so this array I am just giving some value. So the value is 1, 3, 4, 2, 2. So these are the values I am just giving. So here I am just giving, like, to find store the duplicate value, I am giving int duplicate. Okay, so here this int duplicate value, where it is getting is like from the method. Okay, so you have to declare a method before. So what is the name of the method? So we can keep this method as public static int find duplicate. Okay, so when we are giving here, so because we are taking an array as an input and we are performing the finding the duplicate. So here you have to declare another array here. Okay, so this array input will be this one. So here int array will be given to this num array. So now you can see, so here I am declaring a two pointers. Okay, so like let me declare a pointer. So here slow equal to nums of 0. So next we are declaring a fast pointer. So here fast pointer equal to nums of. So here for fast pointer we are also going to give this 2. So we have initialized two pointers, slow and a fast pointer. So here slow pointer moves one step at a time, while the fast pointer moves two steps at a time. Okay, so if there is a duplicate number in the array, the pointer will meet at the same element within a cycle. Okay, this is what a logic. So once the pointer intersects, so we can reset the slow pointer to start of the array. So this is what the logic is. So now first we are going to move the slow pointer one step at a time and fast pointer two step at a time. So for that I am using do while. So in do while, just I am giving here slow is equal to num of slow, and next I am just going to give fast is equal to num of fast. So like this, if you are giving means it represent, it moves two step. Okay, so now what we are going to check, we are going to check here in while condition slow and the fast is not same. Okay, so I am just giving slow. So this concept I am achieving using pointer. Okay, so while of slow is not equal to fast. Okay, so here what is the logic? Slow pointers moves one step, and the it is fast pointer moves two step. That is why we have represented like this. When this both intersect, then that is a duplicate. Okay, So now when it is after intersecting, you have to reset it, right? So for resetting, the logic is, if it is like slow, again we have to declare like slow equal to number of 0. Okay, sorry, slow equal to num of 0. Okay, now what we are going to give is like while of slow is not equal to fast. If slow is not equal to fast, okay, now slow is equal to num of slow. Next, fast is equal to num of fast. So you have to give like this. And now after this, if you are returning the fast value, so here you are just going to return the fast value. So here this returning the fast value, this is the duplicate value. This is the duplicate value. So now you can just call this value here. After calling this, you can just give here, like you have to call this value find element of. So I'm just calling this here find element of int number. So here you have to give the like array. Okay, so whenever you are giving the array as an input for this array input will be taken by this method, and two pointers will be initialized. One pointer will move one step, second pointer will move two step. So we are looping till the pointer is matching. So if it is matching, we are returning it as duplicate, and again we are resetting to the pointers. So this is how it is worked. So this is based on the cycle detection, like cyclic algorithm. We are just doing the logic. Okay. So now if I am printing, like for example, here if I am prints like if of duplicate is not equal to -1. Okay, so if of duplicate is not equal to -1, I'm just going to print this out of sorry system dot out dot println of your duplicate. Okay, so else you can print no duplicate number found. Okay, so now I am just giving here else system dot out dot println of no duplicate number found. So this is how you will get. So now I am given 1344. Let me explain the code again. Like you can see in the code, I have given like slow pointer, fast pointer, and this is our array name nums. So you can see here, like before I have written num, but the because of spelling I have changed this to nums. Okay, so here because I've used inside the code nums, so I have just changed it to nums. Okay, so here you can see like public class main is there and public static find duplicate. I'm giving a method. So inside that it is taking an array. So when it is taking an array, what it is doing, it's like the first step is like we are initializing the two array like slow and a fast. It will be the first element of the array, and then then the slow pointer will move one step forward and fast pointer will move two step a time. So it is equivalent to the traversal. So when a slow pointer moving the next element, fast pointer will be skipped one element. Okay, like this iteration will be keep on doing. So when this iteration meets the same element, so if there is a duplicate number in an array, so the fast pointer will even what it will do is like it will catch up with the slow pointer. Okay, so if it is like both the things are equal. So we were finding, yes, it is, there is a slow like duplicate numbers. Okay, so once the pointers are intersect, that means it is detected a duplicate numbers. Then after that we need to reset the slow pointer to the start of the array and keep the fast pointer, okay, at the meeting point. Now we are moving with the same speed. So when it is matching, again it will print the duplicate value and it will what? Again it will reset. So this algorithm is called as a cycle algorithm. So we are finding the duplicate number within the cycle. Got it? So this cycle is for resetting. After finding the duplicate value, resetting. This value is for moving, and once it is intersects, it will be returning the duplicate value. So now you can execute it. You will be getting the answer like. So now you can see you got an output 2 because in this array the duplicate element number is 2. Thank you.